So guys, I want to share my mini studio here at home. So soon I'm planning to do a live stream on my games. So let me give you a tour here. So this is my console box. Of course I will use this sometimes on my PS4 Pro, Xbox One, and this is the old console. So I will use this TV as well to do a streaming. And I do have old computer here as well. If you're 1980s kids, definitely you know this. So I'm planning to run a stream on the old games as well. Then let's go here to my main computer. So this is my desktop. I'm using a 1080 Ti, and I do have 64 GB RAM inside. I'm using also a dual SSD, and it's RAID 0, so the speed will be boosting up. And I do have some more, almost 12 terabyte storage, right? So this is my main screen. The webcam is here. It's 1080p quality. It's quite good. So I'm using extra monitor as well here to support my live chat. Of course, I'm equipped with this microphone and headset for live streaming as well. But my main headset is this for games. Of course, Razer. So let me go here. So this Mac Pro will support me on my chat as well, and also backup computer here. I do have a backup computer. So if something's wrong of this machine, I can still use this. Then at the same time, I do have a couple of equipment here as well. The one doing the other purpose, but let's see. Let's go back here. So here, of course, I actually try to organize, but it's really messy. As you can see here, it's quite messy. So, well, yeah, soon I will try to organize this thing, because my feeling also is quite messy. Yep. So definitely I will fix that one soon. Then hopefully I get successful in this live streaming on games. I'm just waiting to monetize first via YouTube. Then once I've monetized, maybe I'll just wait for a couple of months, 1 or 2, to finalize everything before I start an on gaming industry. Right, so that's all, and thanks for watching. Yeah, peace and God bless all. Take care, be safe. Thank you.